Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. In this video, we are going to discuss about sorting in Pyspark. Basically, sort or order by keyword is used to sort the result set of data frame or table in ascending or descending order in Pyspark. So let's say you have a department table, and in this you have one column called department number, and your data is coming like this. First you are getting 10 department number, after that 30, after that 40, and then 20. So it is not in order basically. Either it should be descending or ascending. So after sorting, you will get either 10, 20, 30, 40, or 40, 30, 20, 10 like this. Okay, let's try to understand this with the example. So let me open the Databricks, and I have file located here. So let me type the path equal to this one, and then df equals to path dot field dot csv, and I can pass this path and schema equals to true. Okay, and then I can mention here df dot show. Let me show you. There's some more error. Let me check. Schema could be, sorry, not schema. I need to put header here. Okay, let me run this. Okay, so if you see here, we are getting like this. So actually we have data, duplicate data. So let me sort this. So for that, what we can do, we can use distinct command. So df dot distinct. Okay, to remove the duplicate, we can use this one df dot distinct, and now I can put this dot show. Now let me run this. Okay, so if you see here, you are getting 40, 20, 30, 10 like this. Okay, structure of data may be different, like maybe 20 comes first. But if you need to sort, so what you can do, this, let me run this here first again, dot show. Okay, now I need to sort the data, let's say in the ascending order. So first I'm sorting, I can assign column as well. So let's say first I'm sorting based on the department number. So for that, what I will do, I can simply write before so this dot sort, and I want to sort on department number column CPTM. Okay, and then now I can put so. Okay, now let me run this. So see, it is sorted like in the ascending order 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, now let's say if I need to sort more than one column, so I can use comma, and I can use department name here. So like this, we can sort on multiple columns. If I write dname first and the department number later, then the sequence would be different. Because first it will sort on dname, after that it will sort on department number. See, see, A accounting first, after that operation and research, and after that it's sorted based on the first column first, and after that second column. Okay, now let's say if I need to specifically mention, like I want to do sorting on ascending or descending, so how I will do, let me show you. Let me first make it on only one column so that it would be more clear. Let's say on department number. Okay, right now you are seeing this 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Now let me use this ascending function so that I can show you the in different way. Let's say if I type ascending equals to false, so it is giving me data like this 40, 30, 20, 10. So by default, ascending equals to 2. If I do like this, I will get this 10, 20, 30. Okay. So this is how we can do sorting in the Pyspark. And we have another keyword as well. With the help of that, we can also do sorting. So let me comment this, and another is order by. This dot order by. Okay. And let's say I want to do only PTNO, and let's say ascending equals to 2 dot store. Okay. So see. So uh, either of both you can use anyone like sort or order by. So you can get the same result using both. If I'll do false here, you will get 40 department first. Okay. So I hope this video is helpful. Now you will get to know how to do sorting in PySpark. Okay. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you everyone.